everyone, welcome back. So as you know, I am giving you the videos for RBI Grade B DEPR examinations, and we are discussing the MCQs for economics. So here we are starting with question number 61. Do follow the previous videos that were already made discussing up till question number 60. Okay. So the question that we have in front of us, as you can see my screen, it's question 61, and the question says, the revolt of 1857 at Lucknow was led by option A, Begum Hasrat Mahal, option B, Tantia Top, option C, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and option D, Nana Sahib. It's not Tanya Top, it's a printing mistake, it will be Tantia Top. So we have four options here, and the correct option, that's the revolt of 1857 at Lucknow. It was led by Begum Hasrat Mahal. That's option number A. Okay. Option A, Begum Hasrat Mahal. So Begum Hasrat Mahal took over the regiment of Lucknow, where the rebellion broke out on 4th of June 1857. And popular sympathy was overwhelmingly in favor of the deposed Nawab. Her son Birjis Kadir was proclaimed as the Nawab. So next, moving on to question number 62. Which of the following is the first port in India to become a public company? Which of the following is the first port in India to become a public company? Option A, Kandla. Option B, Mangalore. Option C, Ennore. Option D, Mormugao. So the correct answer is option number C, that's Ennore. Okay, Ennore port, which is located in Tamil Nadu, became the first port in India to become a public company. Ennore port, or the Karmarajar port in Chennai, is the 12th major port in India. And as mentioned, the first port to become a first public company. Okay, so India has around 12 major ports that handle a large volume of traffic. These are Chennai Port, Cochin Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Kamarajar Port, Kandla Port, Kolkata and Haldia Port, BO Chidambaram Port, Mormugao Port, Mumbai Port, New Mangalore Port, Paradip Port, and Vishakhapatnam Port. So the port was declared as a major port under the Indian Ports Act of 1908 in March, and in 1999, and it was incorporated as Ennore Port Limited under the Companies Act of 1956 in October 1990. Okay. So the correct answer is option number C, that's Ennore Port. Okay, a lot of information being given on question number 62 on Ennore Port. Next, moving on to the next question we have in line, question number 63. Ghana Bird Sanctuary is located in which state of India? Option A, Himachal Pradesh. Option B, Chhattisgarh. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, Jharkhand. So the correct answer is option C, that's Rajasthan. Ghana Bird Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. Ghana Bird Sanctuary, or Keoladeo Bird Sanctuary, also it's called Keoladeo National Park, is situated in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. It is also a World Heritage Site. It was declared a protected sanctuary in 1971. It is also declared as a wetland site under Ramsar Wetland Convention. It is a homeland to approx 366 bird species and 380 floral species. It's a great national park. Okay, so the correct answer is option number C, that's Rajasthan. Moving on to the next question, question number 64. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Option A, India. Option B, Canada. Option C, UK. Option D, Australia. correct answer is obviously coastline. The longest coastline in the world has it's Canada. Option B. Canada has the longest coastline of 2,02,080 kilometers in the world. Okay, that's the longest one. So the correct answer is option number B. That's Canada. Moving on to question number 65. The eastward continuation of the Brazil Current is called counter-equatorial drift. Option B, South Atlantic drift. Option C, West Atlantic drift. And option D, none of this. So we might be accustomed with this answer because I'm sure we all have read this in our school level. It's the South Atlantic drift, option number B. South Atlantic current is the eastward ocean current fed by the Brazil current. That fraction of it which reaches the African coast feeds the Venezuela current. It is continuous with the northern edge of the west wind drift. So the west wind drift, we all have heard of it, and the correct answer is option B. That's South Atlantic drift. Okay. So next, moving on to question number 66. The Patan hydroelectric power, the Patan Jayakwadi hydroelectric project completed with the help of Japan is on the river. Option A Ganga, option D Kaveri, no, sorry, option B Kaveri, option C Narmada, and option D Godavari. So it's not Ganga, not Kaveri, nor Narmada, it's Godavari. Okay. So Jayakwadi Dam is an earthen dam located on Godavari River at the site of Jayakwadi village in Paitan Taluka of Aurangabad district in Maharashtra, India. The Harsh project is one of the largest irrigation projects in the Indian state of Maharashtra. So that's very important. So the correct answer is option number B. That's Godavari. Okay. Next, moving on to question number 66. We have discussed 67. That's what we are going to discuss. And this is the last question to this set. The pass located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in South India is called the Palghat Gap, the Borghat Pass, the Thalghat Pass, the Bulan Pass. So anyone who has been to South India will know this. It's option A, the Palghat Gap. The pass is located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in the South India, and it is called the Palghat Gap. Okay, it's option number B. So with this, we have completed the entire set of economics questions that we had for our discussion. So do watch the previous videos that are made as I'm advising you for the proper guidance for all the examinations that you're preparing for. It's a very helpful one which will give you insight and knowledge, and definitely that will enhance and boost up your preparation. So all the best for your preparation, whatever you are preparing for, all the best for exams, and thank you for watching me out. Thank you.